You want to do something important. Maybe you want to study. Maybe you want to start working on that side project. Maybe you want to do that assignment. You sit down on your desk and open your laptop. And then a notification appears and you check that notification. And then another. And suddenly you're watching a random video about how penguins find their soulmates. Sounds familiar? Yeah. This is not just you, this is the modern attention span problem, and our brains today are trained to expect quick rewards. Think about apps like TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Every swipes give you something new. A joke, a story, a surprise. Your brain gets used to that excitement, that instant dopamine. And when you try to read a book, study or do something meaningful, your brain suddenly says, wait, where's the excitement? Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two activities. One is scrolling social media. Every 5 seconds, you see something new. The other one is reading a book. You have to stay focused for several minutes before the story really becomes interesting. Which activity do you think that your brain will choose? Of course, the first one. Our brains loves easy rewards. But here's the interesting part. Attention span is not something that you're born with. It's something that you train just like a muscle. Think about someone who has never exercised before. If they walk into a gym and try to lift heavy weights, they will fail. But if they start small, maybe do a few exercises a day and maybe try lifting light weights, then step by step, slowly their body becomes stronger. Your attention span is same. Right now, many people try to force themselves to focus for hours, but your brain hasn't trained in that way. If your attention span is a mess, instead of trying to work for 3 hours, start with something simple. Maybe start with 20 minutes a day, 15 minutes. If you can't focus for 20 minutes, start with 5 minutes. That's okay. Put your phone somewhere that you can't see, turn off all the notifications and mute all them, and just sit down and focus on one task. Only one. Maybe studying, maybe writing, maybe learning something new. When the 10 minutes end, take a short break, then repeat. This is a technique that many productivity experts use, and it works because it slowly rebuilds your ability to concentrate. Let me give you another example. Think about how children play with Lego. When kids build something with Lego, they can sit for hours. Completely focused, they forget about time. Why does this happen? Because they are doing one thing at a time. But many adults today are living like this. They open the laptop, check the email, then go to WhatsApp and write a message, and then go to YouTube and watch a video, comment on a video, and then go to Instagram and do something there, and then go to TikTok, and so on and so on. We are constantly jumping between tasks. Every time we switch tasks, our brain loses focus. It's like trying to read a book but changing the page every 10 seconds. So if you want to fix your attention span, there are 3 simple habits that will help you. First one is avoid all the distractions. When your phone is next to your laptop, next to the place that you are working, if you even don't touch it, your brain constantly thinks about the phone. So when you work or study, try putting your phone in a place that you can't see or in another room. The second habit is training focus slowly. Don't try to become a productivity machine overnight. It never works that way. Start with small focus sessions, 10 minutes, then 20, and then 40, and over time, your brain will adapt. And the third habit is doing more slow things. Things like reading, writing a book, drawing, or learning a new skill. These activities force your brain to stay with one thing longer, and they rebuild your attention span. Because the truth is, the people who achieve big things in their life are not the smartest one. Often, simply they are the people who can stay focused for longer than everyone else. They can sit with a problem, think deeply, and work patiently. They keep working, they stay focused while everyone else is distracted. And the good news is, this is a skill that you can build. You don't need special talent. You just have to train your attention span slowly, because the world where everyone else is distracted, ability to stay focused has become a superpower. The moment you decide to protect your attention span, your productivity, your creativity, and even your life can completely change. Starting today.